Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth tutorial of Google Sketchup. Today we will learn how to download from 3D Warehouse and how to create components and group in our model. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video if you find it helpful. In our previous video, we have learned how to create walls and how to create doors and windows opening in them. If you haven't watched it yet, please do watch our third tutorial. Let's begin. As we have seen in our introductory video, which is our first tutorial, in our toolbar there is one icon says 3D Warehouse. So you can either click on this and access this, or you can just go to Google Chrome 3D Warehouse Sketchup and select this first option. Now you will enter the 3D Warehouse website. Here you can find any block, any component you want, which is already made by other people. Some items are free to use and some are there for purchase. You will find windows, roads, already made model houses and taps, all sanitary wares and everything you want here. All you have to do is to search in this search bar. Now we want doors, so let's find doors. We want flush door, so I will go for this door. It says sign in. Now we are signed in, so now let's download this block. Select the block, click on download, and now we will get many options. Download in SketchUp 2019, 2020, 21 and 22, and there is also Colada file which we will learn how to use in our Lumion tutorials. If you have Google SketchUp lower than 2019 version, please update your Google SketchUp so you can get access to the blocks. We will download in 2019, the lowest version. We have opened our already made model of door. You see everything is in the group. All you have to do is to select, press Ctrl C, go to your model file and press Ctrl V. Now you will see it's attached to the move icon. Now I will place it where my door is. Now I will rotate it with this rotate tool. Select the rotate tool, select the axis, select the point from where you want to rotate your item and select the other point and rotate it in the angle you want. I'm rotating it to the 90-degree and select the other point, end point. Now you see this door scale is not correct, so we have to fix it. Select the door, go to scale, select the scale and you will find these points. You will find 3 points here, 3 points on this side, similarly on this side, similarly this, here and here, and similarly on the center you will find 2 points. So we will select the middle point because we want to increase the width of door. Select the point and drag it to the point we want. On edge, select, right click again. Now we have to reduce the height of door. Select the middle point, click it, drag it to the edge, midpoint, and click again. Now you see our door is correct scale. So what we have to do is to select this door, select move option, press Ctrl key on your keyboard, select the point from which you want to copy the door, right click on your mouse and drag it to the point you want to copy to it. Make sure you have plus icon, plus sign on your icon and click the point where you want to copy it. Now again, the width is too much, so you will be going to scale it. Select the middle point, drag it to the edge and select again. Now we will repeat the process and copy the door everywhere. Rotate it from 90 degree to 90 degree. Copy the door. Now here I want to change the orientation, the opening of door from the other side. So I'm going to rotate it and move it again and then scale it. So we have placed a door everywhere. Now let's place the windows. Let's go back to 3D warehouse and type window. We want sliding window, so let's type sliding window, and here is a window. This looks like door because it doesn't have the bottom. Yeah, this is window. Download it in lowest version. Open your file. Now here is our sliding window. Now if you see, this is again in the group. Control C, Control V. Same process again. Rotate it. Place it on the right point and scale it. Now I will copy this window everywhere. Now for our living room we want a sliding door. So we will go first create a threshold. Let's create a threshold here first. Set this up by 12 mm. Download sliding door. We are set. So we have created doors and windows everywhere. In our next tutorial, we are going to learn how to create components and groups. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video if you find it useful. See you in the next tutorial.